Hi, my name is Vidar Halvorsen. We are at the FLIR booth here at AUSA, and today we're going to show our new product we call Black Hornet Vehicle Reconnaissance System. This product was launched yesterday and is based on the Black Hornet helicopter. Now I'm going to show you a little bit about the product. The product consists of a launch unit, this box we can see in front of us, which has 4 cassettes where we can put 4 helicopters in. We use the Black Hornet, the same helicopter as we use for the personal reconnaissance system, in this system. Give a short demonstration how this works. This box is intended to be on the roof at vehicles, and you can sit inside and operate the UAVs. To start a mission, you use the same controller as the PRS systems, and you go to the helicopter you would like to use for this specific mission, and you start the launching sequence. What we'll see now is that the helicopter will come up and it will look for GPS signal, and if you don't get a GPS signal, he will go back again and there will be aborted mission. If he gets a GPS, he will right away unlock and take a liftoff. After that, you can control the helicopter manually, or you can fly by pre-route by use of a map function where you make a route planning. If we need to take a quick launch, we can also do that by use of video assisted launch. That means he will come up in the same way, but he will take off right away. Another new thing on this product is that we have a dual radio capability. That means we can operate 2 UAVs simultaneously by operating by use of 2 operators or 1 operator. If we have 1 operator for 2 helicopters, we will have a split screen and there will be 2 videos showing on the monitor. The complete system is military ruggedized and follow the standards like 810, 461, etc. Video feed and image is also on standard level, 4609 and 4545. So that's basically the product. For more information, please visit FLIR.com.